So we got a big problem. We just had a heavy rain outside and a heavy rain inside.
Can you imagine coming home and you just see random water on top of that?
This basement is full of dang old water, and now we gotta figure out how to get it out of here because I think it came through the drains. Even upstairs, this is down in the basement. The first level up there, full of water too. So the mystery begins. I got on Ray boots. My boots is at the hoarder house, so my heel is right here. Man. So when I walk down, I'm saying it's like having shocks and some springs. But I wonder where to drain at, because back here it's like, it's definitely higher back there.
So is that the first thing we need to look for?
Yep, it's the drain, but I think the water came through the drain. But we got a sump pump here. So my plan is to stick this hose out one of these windows, plug it up, let it pump outside. Hopefully it'll come back in.
And shout out to my baby, because he ain't even feeling 100%, but he trying to figure out a way to set this up. And shout out to her, because she definitely look out for us too. So,
for sure.
Hey, we pulling up.
We need to get paid in like some snacks or something like that. You feel me?
Babe was talking about, what you say? Talking about, so you trying to have a water party?
Right. And
then I was like, yeah, we could be like, oh yeah, pull up, but make sure you don't drink what's in the cup.
Right. See, this must be a higher spot because the water not too deep in here. It was higher, but it seemed like it was going down. Then once we get back here, it's definitely deeper in here. Like this suitcase full of water. Man. So this is definitely the low spot. So it got to be a drain back here, but the drain closed. So now we got to figure out if I can pop one of these windows open and pop the hose out. My pump, last time I used it, it was spraying out water somewhere. But I guess you can't get no more wetter than this, huh?
Man. And what's the odds? She was talking about, I need to clean my basement. That is a way to push somebody.
Everything in the garbage.
Man. Let me test my limits since Bae got on my boots. Oh, okay then. Oh, hold on. Oh, wait. Bang it on. So what's your thought process, Bae? You said since most of the water is back there, you think about putting, what is it called, a sump pump?
Yeah.
So you think about putting a sump pump back there since that's where the most water is?
Yep, so this part, the lowest point, so all the water is going to flow into this room.
Okay. Makes sense. Dang, not it. Hate to see it.
I'll be right here.
It's a good thing it's rainwater. That look crazy the way that separation is from the black to the gray. Well, tell me how I can help you. All right, so what's up?
So we got the pump. I actually broke this little piece right here. So when we plug it in, water will shoot out this part. So I gotta find like a plug or something to repatch that. But we probably just gonna throw something over top of it.
What about that phone? What the? So now he about to take that hose attachment and figure out where he about to put it.
Yeah.
Which window should it be?
I really need a dang on ladder.
Man, what? The water so high?
Still.
Not the stills, no. Heck, you know you would be in the water. Man, that might be more harmful than helpful. It smell like bleach.
Might be bleach water. She probably already poured this shit in it.
Man, she probably like, Let me put some bleach in there.
All right, y'all. So we got the pump in the water. Hose going out the window. Now we about to plug this joint up. But, I should have grabbed some electrical tape. And just taped up this little hole right here. I'm thinking about just throwing this foam on that boy. Just so it won't spray up and kind of spray everything else. But let's see him plug it up. Hopefully I don't get wet. I probably should just tape it for real. I wonder if she got some tape.
Like electrical tape?
Electrical tape, duct tape, scotch tape, your mama tape, daddy tape. This one of the things you do not want to come home to.
Man, and she came home to.
Man. All right, y'all. So she got some Gorilla tape. This some thick tape. This probably like a 1/16 of an inch. This some thick tape though. So we about to try to tape this joint up and see if it'll hold. It should. So I put the tape on there, and it's definitely looking like it's holding. It's a little blurry, but we got the tape on there. Should be good. Let's plug this boy up and see. Scared standing in the water, plugging stuff up. There you go. Open out the window. Yep. You see, I could have tightened up that hose a little bit more, but the tape doing its job is holding that pressure down. Right.
How many inches of water?
About a pump, we looking at good, probably like 3 inches. I don't want to stick my finger in there. So let's see.
I'll tell you one thing, that sounds way faster than the other one. Oh yeah. Look, I can actually step down here now, y'all. Hey, progress. Okay then. I see you. Man, this thing is not coming to play, okay? It's not coming to play at all. Like, get you one of these.
I said, what's that? A pump? What are you talking about?
What you say, babe?
I thought I was about to kick my feet up. This pump says psych.
That boy moving too fast. They talking about he thought he was about to kick his feet up. Look, we down here. They ain't there standing regular. She probably gonna put some cleaner on the carpet. Dang, this boy the truth. So if you have water issues, it's safe to say this is a good thing to have.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a must-have.
Man, we'll make sure we link it.
Unless you want to pay us, you know what I'm saying? Drain it out.
The neighbor was having an issue, so I was thinking like, that might have been a way to, you know,
make
have
some
a
bread.
quick job.
Yeah.
But it's a great thing that her drain actually kicked in. Now we searching for a squeegee. And it looks like I just hit the jackpot. I think, oh yeah. Bingo. I mean, we got a push broom too. Let's see what this is. Ooh, babe. You breaking stuff. Not get out. You're mean. Uh-oh.
20 minutes later.
So, we just figured out something.
Yeah. So whatever y'all do, make sure when your hose, your other end of the hose is not sitting in a puddle of water when you unplug it, because all it's going to do is suck that water right back in and fill up the basement again. That's one thing we just figured out, because it just did that twice. And now we good to go. We unplugged it.
It took about 23 minutes.
23 minutes.
So I definitely feel like that water would have still been sitting here if this wouldn't have been put out here. And yeah, y'all see, now we can actually walk around. And yeah, so next is the fun part, the cleaning.
And on that note,
peace.
suck up some water.
You can see the line shaking. The water.